So congratulations, now you have a good understanding of the simple present, the different verbs, the negatives, questions, and adverbs, right? So let's move forward. Let's learn something different. Now we're going to talk about present continuous. Continuous is the idea where the action is happening for a long time, right? We use this verb tense, right? Because it's the idea of time. We use this verb tense because it's why? It's for actions happening now, right now, right? For example, right now, I am talking to you. You are listening to me, right? It's also used for continuing actions, meaning we are studying English, right? We are studying English now. We are studying English tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, right? It's continuing, okay? Now, how do I use the present continuous? Well, I use my be verb, right? The be verb in the simple present, am, is, and are, and a verb, an ing. You cannot forget this ing ending, okay? I'm going to teach you the rules of how to change this verb for spelling. And then we'll look at some examples and work on questions in the present continuous. Let's say your friend calls you. They ask, where are you, right? Intonation, where are you? Oh, I am now, in this moment, I am driving to work. Or you could say, I'm driving to work, right? Now look at this spelling of driving. Drive has an E, right? If you use the present continuous, you need to take out this E and change it to ing, driving. The same. So any verb that has this E ending, you must take that out and change it to ing. Okay, that's for spelling. I'm going to teach you some other rules, okay? It will take time and practice, but I want to introduce it to you, and then we will look at it together in class. Next, let's look at another example. She is running. The verb run has an ending. Why is there two? Good question. So, look at these examples. The syllable is like the music of language, right? Run has one syllable. Swim has one syllable. Stop has one syllable. Rub has one syllable. Rub is like you rub lotion, right? Or sunscreen. All of these have one syllable sound, right? It's the sound. Now, what is the same about all of them? Look at the last three letters. All of them have consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Right? So if I use the present continuous, for example, for swim, if I say he's swimming, is this good? Is this okay? Only one M? No, I need to double it. I need two. He is swimming, right? Or the policeman is stopping me. Or I am rubbing sunscreen on my skin, right? So you double if the last three letters are consonant, vowel, consonant. The rule is a little bit more complicated though. If you are just learning this for the first time, don't worry about the next part, okay? It will take practice and we can review it again and again, no problem. So let's look at when the rule changes and it's a little bit more difficult. Can you tell me how many syllables are in this word? Open, 2, right? Okay, there's 2 syllables. What about this word? Transfer, 2, okay. Listen, 2. submit to, right? Okay, this is when the rule gets a little bit more difficult, right? You could say help. Okay, now open has 2 syllables. Now where is the stress? Where is it stronger? Is it open or is it open? Open. Okay. What about this one? Transfer. Is it transfer? Transfer. Okay. What about listen? Listen. Okay. What about submit? Submit. Right? Okay. So when the final syllable, the final sound, the stress is at the end. For example, this one, no, right? So this one, it's not important if it's consonant, vowel, consonant. We only pay attention when the stress is at the end. So for example, here, this is the stress where it's stronger, right? And it's consonant, vowel, consonant. Then we double. Or here, the final sound, submit. Okay, submit, and then the M is a consonant, I is a vowel, T is a consonant, so we need to double, right? I'm submitting my job application, for example, right? Now here, it is consonant, vowel, consonant, but we do not double. Open, 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 opening has no double because the stress is before the final. Look at this. Listen, listen. So the stress is in the first syllable, not the second syllable, right? So we only have ing. Don't worry if you feel confused about this part. We will talk about more examples in class, okay? So what I would like to do now is also tell you about some exceptions because there's always exceptions in English. If you see, for example, the word ending in a W, or if you see the word ending in an X, you never double, okay? The reason behind it is because this W and this X sound have kind of like 2 sounds in one. X kind of has the XS sound, right? Or the W has a wa. It's not just a singular consonant sound. It's a little bit more difficult in pronunciation. So the idea here is you never double if you see this W and this X, okay? Now, there are other exceptions. For example, the word tie. If you tie your shoes, right? Like you tie your shoes. Or die, right? These examples are interesting because we take this and we change it to a Y. Tying or dyeing. So for example, I am tying my hair, right? Or the flower is dying, right? There are some other exceptions, but we will look more in detail tomorrow. Don't worry, again, if you are confused on this part, it's okay. It might be your first time seeing it. Don't worry, we'll practice more in class. So the final part of the video I want to talk to you about are questions using the present continuous. So we'll take a look, and then we will call it a day, and you will sleep and relax and be ready for tomorrow's class, okay? Okay, so now let's put everything together. So with the present continuous, we can have yes or no questions, right? It's the same. Instead of do and does, we use the be verb. Are, is, and am, right? We have our subject, the same, but the verb we have in the ing form, right? So if I have my be verb first, it is a yes or no question, so it's going to go up, right? So are you singing now? right? Is he working? Or am I sleeping, right? If I want to change these to more information questions, what do I need here, here, and here? I need my WH words, right? So I could ask, for example, why? When is he working? Right? I could ask, now it's more information, so it's going to go down, right? It's going to go down. So, why are you singing now, right? Why are you singing now? When is he working, right? Or where am I sleeping, right? Because again, these are more information words, right? These WH words. So this is to give you an idea of what we will be studying more in class. I hope this video helps you understand these ideas, this grammar, and if you have any questions, as always, go down below in the comments and send me a message, okay? Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I will see you soon. Bye.